Here is a quick review for Attio CRM. As you can see, it is accessible to the Safari, Google, or Chrome. And then, Sales CRM is actually close more with deals and less admins, which is the Auto Sales CRM streamlines your pipeline, tracks every lead, and gives you the odds to grow. So as you can see, to the Attio or Auto, they are different agents that you can choose from its own dashboard with over 6,000 agents that could nothing go wrong. And as you can see, you can just go ahead and book a demo with them just by visiting to their website if you're a first timer or a beginner. So as you can see, I am now pressing the book a demo since I am a first timer using it. And then you have to wait for a few seconds because of the verification being trying to do. Then afterwards, you can just go ahead and book your demo with them. And then you can now enjoy and visit some sites to the Attio CRM and make choice if you want it on your own.